drivers coming up here were nuts.
So Green Hill Road's a bit sketchy.
Wow. Literally truck and trailer is just going full gas.
Yeah, up Green Hill.
Yeah. I was like, what's the truck doing on this road?
He's probably lost.
Crazy, man.
He's probably on the freeway and he fucking got angry, he wasn't. So Rhino Beetle's just come through Adelaide. He sorted out his little knee. He saw a beetle expert and got it sorted.
Very, very good beetle expert.
Car back.
This too will pass, this too will pass. And I got through just those bad patches, you know, and then I come out of a bad patch and I'll be fine again, and then you go back into another bad patch because then you start thinking about the wind, and it was
Nick's
relentless wind.
Nah, Nick J.
It's Nick Scary Jew. Nick Scary Jew.
Maven's coming for Nick.
I want Nick bad. So Nick, if you're watching, I'm coming for you.
He's gonna track your campsite and fucking wake you up.
I want 23rd spot. So bad.
It's got your name on it.
It's a race of attrition.
If I get 23rd,
Yeah.
he's on the coast, is he? Ooh, that's a long way.
No.
I'm going.
Still a long way to go.
No, you can't get the time off. You asked? The idea was there. You quit your job like I did. That's what I did last year.
But last night in that wind on the way to Clare, massive wind. I pulled my phone out. Fucking cash went everywhere. That was from selling Nullarbor White.
That's right, mate. See?
That was from selling Nullarbor White.
People didn't believe me.
I am loaded, brother.
Yeah.
I was out there.
Nick, buy some?
I didn't have anywhere to sleep,
Yeah.
so I just sold some Nullarbor White.
To Nick and Rupert.
Got a bed. Nick and Rupert were off their lips. Fucking wind knocked the six out of me. Yeah, that hill just knocked me out a bit. Do you want to come up?
There you go, some more.
No, you're okay. Come up. Come up. I'm cool. Come and have a chat. Yeah, Green Hill Road, mate. How hard's that climb?
I've never done it.
Fuck, we had some abuse.
Yeah, how many of you were on the team getting up it? Just a little group of you?
There was about 20 of us.
Right, you would have got abuse on that.
She's going to be like, what are all these cyclists doing?
And what's the do in the draft cycle?
We're all staying here, love. We're all up for the colour in one room. In one room. Like a race. Yep. Sleeping on the side of the road. Yep. Okay. Just finish it.
These guys coming in, let's go. Let's get in. Yeah. Stand on the
This giraffe escaped the zoo. Yeah. I gotta take you home. Get back to Africa.
So that was the Mindy Pack bike setup with the Cycling Maven Ronix. The bike setup, so it's pretty lightweight. Put a little bit of a saddlebag in the back and just keep your bike sort of lightweight, pretty minimal. And it makes it a bit easy to keep going there. So riding with Tori, this is the days before, I think it was. We're just cruising around up a pretty steep climb. Just sort of checking out Tori's bike fit. You got any comments or criticisms, let us know down below. Tori's new to cycling. She just started in January. Got her first clip-in pedals in January. So we'll just get some close-up footage here. She wriggles around the bike a fair bit. I wonder if that will just go over time because she's still such a noob, or if there's some bike setup positions we can change. Got any tips? Hit us up down below. Because bike fit is definitely an art. It's definitely an art, and some people have got different torso lengths and leg lengths and different flexibilities, or back injuries, or they pedal with the heels up or heels down. So measurements can be a little bit off person to person. So if you got any tips in this comment section, hit it up. Here's some more. There's another side. This is the right side. What do you think? What do you think? Hit us up. For climbing, we're going up a climb right now, so your body will sit different going up a climb than on the flat. So we're going up, this is called Eagle on the Hill. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Comments, questions, criticisms, hit us up in the comments section. We'll see you up Mount Lofty.